Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys an updated foyer tour. Y'all know I love giving you guys updates on my foyer. It's one of my favorite spaces to decorate in my home. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this tour.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid.
hope that you guys enjoy that for your tour today. I hope that you receive some type of inspiration from it. And I am definitely going to be changing around some things because you guys know I like to change things around for the season. But I do have some awesome furniture pieces that's coming from my foyer, and I am super duper excited about it. So I would love for you guys to go ahead and subscribe, hit that red button. Also, tap that bell twice for all notifications, and yeah, you'll get all the video updates of my foyer and of our renovations that is taking place. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. I hope y'all have a fantabulous day. Bye guys.